Good morning everyone, we are back in the garage after 1 week of absence. We are back from UK and now we have a couple more days to spend in the garage before we go to another trip, and the plan for those couple days is to move on with the S13, and we're gonna start with the arches. So as you saw in the last video, I removed the old arches that were welded in here, and I was lucky enough to find this. And this box doesn't contain a toilet. So these are stock S13 arches. It was pretty hard to find them, but one guy was scrapping his car and he had pretty good condition arches. Of course, I won't be able to put them on the car and weld it nicely, so we have Kasper there, who helped us save the E30 after the crash. And today our plan is to make the back arches of an S13 stock. Okay, so we drew the line where the new arch is gonna be. Need to cut out a bit of the inner arch and then pretty much just weld it on, I guess. Okay, so as you can see, we have the stock arch in place, it's welded and the welds have been grinded down. So now what we need to do is put epoxy primer over the welds and a body filler, and that will be it. One side done, onto the other side. And boom, just like that, we have stock fenders back on. It went really quick, much quicker than I expected. It's good to have someone that knows what to do and how to do it. And now what we need to do is just put some body filler to even it out. And we are done with the back fenders of the car. And that is it for today, because today is Bozo's birthday. So we're going to have a couple big ones in a pub. Tomorrow back with the engine bay, probably the finish touch. And some exciting parts as well. So, see you tomorrow. Okay, we have next morning. It's super cold in the garage and it's super messy after yesterday.
Oh my days, I just got here. I wasn't here yesterday. I'm so sorry, guys. But you know, what is it? Afternoon? Morning now? It's more afternoon. Good afternoon, people on the internet.
Let's clean around. Magic.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's way better. Okay, let's get to work.
Proper. Let's go.
Okay, so you coming in with Lada, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna work on some interior parts that are not very interesting for the video. So Sam is gonna work on the, what are you gonna do? Engine bay and this.
Let's hope by the end of this episode, the arch is gonna be
beautiful.
waiting for the Spachelka to get dry, so we might as well open these boxes. I've ordered a couple of things to the S13, so let's start with this one. This one's from M Tuning. I've ordered the engine bushings. So this big box for 2 of these.
I mean, safety is #1 priority.
Just polyurethane, and it says motorsport, look. We're gonna need them to mount the engine inside the chassis, which we're gonna do probably next video, hopefully. This one I am very excited about. This is coming from the UK.
There's actually another package coming from the UK as well at this moment. We just need to wait for it.
And also there's another package coming at this moment from Lithuania with the wheels.
Yes.
So these are, you probably can tell now, a Ganador type mirrors. Alright?
Hello, good day.
What do you think about
How are you today?
They are not fiberglass, they are made from aluminum, same like the original ones. And basically what's special about these, they are one-to-one replica of the OEM ones, which makes them actually perfect because they are not as expensive as the original ones. This company, Shibui Style, they make them for many different chassis. If you want to have such a nice mirrors on your car, hit them up and they definitely gonna help you out. Should we check it out?
Yeah.
So this one, it says S13 left, right?
That's cool.
And are they? Oh, yeah, they are.
That's so nice.
Sheesh. They are going back to the box and I cannot wait to put them on. Thank you very much Shibui Style for hitting me up with these, and for everyone interested, go check out the Instagram. And we are back with the arches. So this is how it looks at the moment. I just put the, probably not the last one, but the one before last layer of the body filler, the finish one. And this time I'm gonna try to sand it down completely flat on a flat, how do you call the thing? On the
you're showing is not very flat.
On the flat thing, and I'm gonna just try to have the flat surface, and then probably that should be it. Hopefully.
Yes.
I was never good at this, but okay. Since there is many things to do with this car, let's keep the truck and trying to do one by one and just stick one by one. At the moment we are doing on the body, so the most important thing now is to finish the arches. Oh no, look, I touched some fresh Spachelka, no good man. Anyway, finish the arches, that's the main thing, and the engine bay. When we finish the arches in the engine bay and do just little things like this around the body, we want to paint the engine bay with actual color of the car. We want to have it clean and actually ready painted. So that's going to be another thing, is to paint the engine bay. I think next week, Tuesday or Wednesday, the wheels are coming because I'm tracking the package and it should be here. I've ordered super nice wheels. So probably another step is going to be to fit those wheels. We want to fit the wheels before putting the actual paint on the car. Because there might be some, rolling needed and stuff. So fitting the wheels, that's gonna be next. Suspension-wise, we already are brakes. Shit, the worst thing to do on a car. Brakes we need. I think we're gonna test fit the engine inside the engine bay even before painting, because if there's any clearance issues, we should know before we paint it. Mm-hmm. But then actually when the engine bay is painted, the brakes are done, we're gonna actually start working on the engine. So we need to assemble the clutch and the gearbox with the engine together and actually mount the engine. So I think that's going to be the next thing. And then we're going to send the car with the engine in and a separate harness to our friend Archie. He's gonna put the harness, connect ECU, connect everything, all the wire stuff. He loves that, and we love him because we don't need to do it ourselves. So after the engine mounting, we're gonna do the
Electrics. Spaghetti.
And then when we have engine actually running, oh wait, when should we paint the car? Before putting engine in or after? I think after, no? First the car needs to run.
I actually don't know.
And then the last thing...
Okay, should we paint the car before the engine or after the engine work?
So engine bay is gonna be painted anyway before the engine, right?
Yeah.
But how about...
I mean, I think that we should put the engine first and make it run. Because it's still gonna be in and out of this garage, into Archie's garage, everywhere. So it's easier to work on a car that you don't care about, you know, in terms of...
So when the car is actually running, we're gonna paint it as one of the last things, right? We have already chosen the paint color, and believe me, it's gonna look absolutely awesome. I think in the meantime, we're still gonna polish the wheels and kind of refresh the wheels, because I've ordered the used wheels from Japan. Not from Japan, from Lithuania, but before they were in Japan.
I think there's just one more thing that we need to remind me if I just
It still has a couple little spots when you look closer. I don't know if you can see it on the camera at all, like this one. But overall looks like one piece, which I'm very happy about, because it kind of looks more like the S13 now with these arches. Before it was kind of like S13 combined with the Golf, and now it's proper S13.
It's good.
Okay, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Maybe, or maybe tomorrow.
We're gonna work on this. That's the next one. I already started today.